So I wanted to do that sound that IG-12 makes.
Yes, 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 yes.
I asked my friend who does sound how I should do it, and he said use this dog talking button. So you press this record button, record something, and then it just repeats whatever sound you just did. It's super easy to use. When you take it apart, looks like this underneath. Without this part, there's a little button under there. So I added this button to make it easier to press. So the reason I took it apart is because this one, you know, it's really fat and big, and I wanted to hide this on my body somewhere, so we opened it up.
Yes.
I recorded it off the YouTube video.
Yes.
This is a piece of elastic, and I glued these pieces of foam on. And then I just tied it around my waist. And I hit it with my elbows to make the sound happen.